Is the Edgy Bob 1 coming to you with a flashlight review. How is that for a light? This is a 4/7 Maelstrom G5. And it will flat put a hurting on the dark, let me tell you that right now. This flashlight operates on 2 of the CR123 batteries that are 3 volts each. It has a Cree XPG emitter where the old flashlights used to have. That's right, an old light bulb. It has a 1-inch body. It has advanced optics. Let me tighten that up a little bit. There we go. And as you can see, that wall is about 1.5 to 2 feet in front of me, and it is really shining good. Now that's on bright. That's on the bright mode. The bright mode puts out, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, 350 lumens. Not bad. Not bad. It will burn with fresh batteries 1 3/10 hours, or about 1 1/3 hour with it, which would be 1 hour and 20 minutes. Let's go through some modes on this bad boy. No mode. Bright mode. To adjust the modes, you turn the front of the housing and it goes to the next mode, which is a very bright and shiny 200 lumens that will last 3.1 hours. And the next mode would be the low I'll be going to, which will be 28 lumens, and it'll go 22 hours. And the very last mode I'll go to will be the moonlight, and it's 0.2 lumens. That's pretty low, but that would be real good if you were in a situation you needed to look at a map or something, didn't want to mess up your night vision, didn't want to attract attention to yourself. And that will last 7.5 days. So let me go through the other modes. We'll turn it, the head of the light, a little bit. There you go. There you go. That is the next to the lowest mode, and this is your 2/10 of a mode, or 2/10 lumen mode. Pretty nice, huh? Now I'm going to do something else here. Not only does it have 4 modes of brightness, but it also has 3 modes of other stuff it will do. And you do that by 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Didn't do it fast enough. Turn the head 4 times, and the first light you get, which is quite blinding, is you've got it. That's a strobe. If you turn it down 1 more, little notch here, that's right, you have the old SOS beacon going on. If you need to attract somebody's attention, if you're out in the woods and you've hurt yourself, it would be a good mode to have. Now the next mode we have here It's just the beacon mode, and you'll see it flashed 4 times, and then it was off for just a few seconds, and that's going to come back on. This is your beacon mode. This would be a good mode to use if you were, say, going out in the woods and you weren't familiar with the area. You could leave this at your camp, and that would last a pretty good while, not run your battery down, but it would be bright enough, which it is in the brightest mode, power mode, when it does flash, so you'd really see that a pretty good ways off, and you could kind of keep track of where you were in relation to your camp. Now there's supposed to be one more mode, if I'm not mistaken. There's the bright. Okay, I was thinking there was, and I believe there is still a and then the 4th mode on this would be going back to the solid bright mode. So, and then to reset that, you just go 1, 2, 3, 4 times real fast, and then it'll go back to your regular modes, but you can decrease the brightness. Okay, let me turn on this little lamp I have here. This is a Coleman LED lamp, and I'm not going to, right here, and I'm not going to go into this on this video because I'm starting to get kind of lengthy here. But I just want to show you, let me go into the bright mode. That might be a little better to get over here. Just want to show you this flashlight up close, how it looks. In fact, I think I need the overhead light on, so let's go with that. There we go. That's a little better. Kind of gives a yellowish hue down on everything. This is the Maelstrom G5 by 4/7. And it has some good knurling up here to help dissipate the heat that this thing would build up, because when it's on bright of 350 lumens, you can better believe it, that will put out some heat if it wasn't made this way. It has the soft push button. You can do a soft push on it, which means you don't have to click it, or you can do the click on it. And again, it takes 2 of the CR123 batteries, and or you can use one of the 18650, the button top cells. I've got those. Those are a rechargeable, and I prefer to go with the CR123, use them and toss them. And I'm going to have a special on here too, one of these times, just on batteries and where you can get them at the best prices I have found. So be looking out for that. It's a great flashlight, has the orange peel reflector, has the clip on it, has the anti-roll ring on it right there, so if you lay it, it will stay. It's just a great little flashlight, and you can really have fun with it outside at night too. So thanks for watching. I hope everybody has a good night, and because I'm doing this at night so I can get it in a real dark room, and I hope that that you sleep well. God bless, and just remember, you might give out, but don't give up. This is Edgy Bob signing out.